Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kavish Kichiramthan. Today we are going to discuss about very interesting topic. It is four-stroke engine. This is the structure of the four-stroke engine. Camshaft, intake valve, combustion chamber, cylinder box, connecting rod, crankshaft, crankcase, piston, water cooling, cylinder head, and exhaust valve. The piston completes 4 strokes while doing 1 revolution of crankshaft. A stroke refers to the full travel to the piston along the cylinder in either direction. This is the 4-stroke engine operation. First one is intake or suction stroke. In piston, move it downward and decrease the pressure in the cylinder. After the intake valve is open, an air-fuel mixture flows from the carburetor into the cylinder. In this process is intake valve is open, exhaust valve is closed. The second one is compression stroke. In piston moves upward, compress the air-fuel mixes and increase the temperature. In this process, intake valve and exhaust both valves are closed. The third stroke is power stroke. The pressure of the combustion gas pushes from the piston downwards. In this process is intake valve and exhaust both valves are closed. Fourth and final one is exhaust stroke. The exhaust valve remains open while the piston moves upward. Explain the combustion gas. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.